Like that definitely came off the side of a fish. Oh yeah. I'm making a salad. Hey you!
Huh?
Yeah, you! You look like you suck at cooking. Is that true? I got just the thing for you. Cooking through a cookbook, cover to cover.
We're not apologizing to Joshua Weissman. We probably make his food better.
That's definitely not happening. The question I'm always asking, and I'm sure you're asking too, what's Cam cooking? And I keep coming back to, what is Cam cooking? What better way to know what you're cooking than a book? I got a book. My wife bought it for me. I love Joshua Weissman. I figured this would be a great opportunity to do a series where I cook everything in this book from cover to cover. And you're coming along for the journey. This is episode 1. I've got my boy Nick on the camera. Say hello to the people.
Yeah. That's supposed to turn it?
I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
And we're gonna stumble through it. And when I say stumble, there's a lot of good things in here, and I definitely am gonna cook it cover to cover. But like, man, there's some stuff and it's like, I'm never going to use this. I'm just being real. So I'm probably gonna skip that. You know, there's some ingredients that I'm like, you know, am I really gonna use this for anything else? Am I gonna spend $15 on this? Probably not. But we're gonna stumble through it, and I'm sorry to the author of this book, Joshua Weissman, and stay tuned.
We're not apologizing to Joshua Weissman. We probably make his food better.
That's definitely not happening. Let's take a look at the first recipe. We're going straight for the salmon. Parmesan and nut crusted salmon. Look at that picture. We are gonna be making a few changes. The first one is it's calling for toasted pecan halves and toasted walnut halves, and I could buy those, and I definitely could, but I'm just, man, again, I don't want to spend all that money on that, and I don't know what else I would use that for. But pistachios, I'm definitely gonna use those. Another thing too, and this feels really wrong, and it probably is wrong. There's Parmesan cheese in this, and he's calling for the legit stuff. Of course he is.
Shout out Kroger.
We're not doing the black truffle as well, for obvious reasons. But other than that, we're sticking real true to this recipe, and we're gonna have a plate that looks almost identical to this, if not better. Oh, I'm not in my kitchen. This is a guest kitchen.
Not Nicholas's kitchen. It's a guest kitchen. Okay. No, it's cool.
They don't know who you are. I edited that part out.
Crikey. Oh.
You said it perfectly, dude. Look at this thing. Like that definitely came off the side of a fish. You cool with me just putting raw salmon on your counter, right?
Yeah, I mean, what's the worst that can happen?
Right, yeah.
You really believe in salmonella?
No, that's made up by the government.
Facts. Sorry, the knives are not sharp.
It's okay. I mean, it's not, but
it's a fight every time cutting anything. And I watch like cooking videos online where they just like, and they just cut it. You know.
I have remember my knife sharpening video?
You want a bowl or you gonna leave that? Okay.
Yeah, we'll just do that for now.
Yes, I do.
I can bring that over. I still have that. We can sharpen these.
You wanna go now?
So I'm just gonna keep sawing, I guess, at the skin.
Yeah. You probably didn't need that other one.
Yeah. Let me get that other knife.
Yeah, that's my go-to.
It's still awful. I thought about like maybe I should bring a knife or something, but I was thinking how wild that was gonna look in the car.
Yeah.
Like I'm just coming out of the car, I've got like a steak knife or whatever. See, if I would have known it was like this, I would have just paid the premium for the small pieces. You can stop the recording for a minute.
We just finished cutting our salmon. Now we're gonna get ready to make the, what's it called? So now if you're done cutting the salmon, you're gonna put it on the tray.
Yeah. Nice. Oh yeah. But now we're gonna make the sauce. We need a small bowl. I'm kind of free balling it a little bit.
What is black truffle?
Expensive. I'm gonna give it a stir, my guy. Give it a stir.
using a stirring technique that I'm from Jamaica, so one of the things how we kind of stir is differently from how Americans stir. You know, sometimes you guys like to hold your spoons like this. We kind of go right here, and you scrape at the edge of the bowl. And make sure you wash your hands before you cook. I'm just gonna put that in the video for you. Like step 1, wash your hands. I always thought about if I was making a cooking video, that's what I would do. I think I'm good.
Well, you are making a cooking video.
Hey, welcome to What's Nick Cooking.
So now we're crushing these?
Yeah.
Here, wait, hold on. I got a method for this, bro.
Okay.
So look, this, you came up with the idea of keeping it in the bag.
Yeah.
So we don't have the resealable bags, but.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not messing up your counter.
No, you good.
Burn. Look at Randy Orton slithering. Watch out.
Yeah.
That'll work. Yeah. It'll be fine. We'll have a little chunks in there, right?
Yeah.
Real cheese,
Yeah,
so
actual cheese.
let's add it'll eat the same.
All right.
You think that's enough?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I don't want to do this anymore, bro. That's what I'm doing. It just feels weird.
Fine. Okay, we're cooking something. Something's being cooked. We gotta add the cilantro.
Oh.
I got it. We don't have to do all of it. I think that's probably.
Okay. It's parsley.
Oh. The parsley. Alright, we are salted, bro.
It actually looks really good.
Am I putting the mayonnaise on here now? The mayonnaise mixture? Put it on here. And I think we just crust it.
Yeah, we're putting the mayonnaise on.
Yeah. Like, I guess I'll use the spoon and just kind of.
We don't need a brush, bro.
Yeah, no.
Straight.
Yeah, we're
Still got the garlic on there too.
It actually smells pretty good.
Crusted salmon. You know, I'm not a big mayo guy myself.
You not?
Not at all.
I'm really not per se, but it's great for like stuff like this. Like you bind it or whatever.
Facts. Or like deviled eggs.
Deviled eggs are good. Deviled eggs are good.
Spicy mayo. Spicy mayo. I like spicy mayo.
You ever thought about making deviled eggs with spicy mayo?
Uh.
I feel like the cilantro is probably a little too big. The knife situation wasn't great. So.
I could have cut it, but.
I mean, we'll just rock with it. Right? Or do you think that's way too big?
Hey, bro, it's alright.
Look how big our chunks of pistachios are.
The pistachios is going. We're gonna choke on it.
The energy is there, though.
Look at that.
It's like I'm making a salad.
Shout out Joshua Weissman for the recipe.
Hey, shout out, bro. He's like rolling in his kitchen right now. He's just absolutely appalled by what we're making. Like, what is this?
Where's the black truffle?
Yeah, where's the Dude, you know what? This is actually looking like a legit plate. Here, wait.
Oh, that's the thumbnail right here. Hold on.
Yeah, like look at that. That looks legit. Or maybe this is just like an atrocity.
Hold on, this side.
Okay, bet.
I'm trying to get like the lighting with it. It's like, yeah.
Is that a thumbnail?
Yeah, you'd be alright.
Alright, bet. We'll redo it when it's actually cooked.
425. Let's be at 425. You know. So it's a 10 to 15 minutes. How do you feel about that?
I feel like the salmon probably could go a little bit longer, but I'm worried about the
Pressed on top.
Yeah. I'm just gonna go for it a little longer.
Do like 2 minutes.
Yeah. Okay, let's check it out. I think I'm happy with it. Oh yeah.
Dude, it actually smells pretty good.
It does smell good. Oh yeah. Oh, it's breaking. Oh yeah. All right, let's go give this a try. All right, dude, I'm so stoked. Okay.
Dive on in.
It's pretty good.
Bro, the crust is crazy. I just had it like the same. I'm like, and then at the crust, bro.
The crust, yeah.
Joshua knew what he was doing, bro. The spicy mustard. I mean, the Dijon mustard.
Yeah. I mean, to be honest, this is really good. It's different. I'd definitely make this again. I would probably spring for the real Parmesan, but I'd definitely make it again.
No, I'm making it for them.
Oh yeah. That's the end of the video.
Oh, you're rating.
Oh, rated out what scale 1 to 10? Thank you. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 for me. I wish it was cooked a little bit more on me, and then I wish we used real Parmesan. And the cilantro was in smaller pieces. What about you?
I'm giving this. Out of 10, it's a 10.
Is it 10?
It's 10.
It could not be any better no matter what happened.
The thing is, like, I don't want to nitpick. Because I can nitpick.
You can nitpick.
It's a 9.5.
I nitpick.
Like,
yeah.
One, I could have had, if the thing was, like, spread across more. Because, like I said, sometimes, like, when I first bit into it, I got areas that, like, didn't have the
uneven
sauce
coating
on it, you know?
But you got the big piece. That one I was kind of worried about. I was running out of stuff at the end.
Yeah. That parsley as well. I feel like I didn't get enough because I feel like if it was like more finely grained, then,
right?
You know.
So really, you're talking yourself down from a 10.
But that's what I'm saying. Like it's just like, you could have had that, but I'm like, I love this, bro. Like this is so good.
Let's meet in the middle. Let's give it a 9. All right, bet. I'll catch you in the next one.
So next time. Is this going in the video?